Say me like you.
Don't like me, I don't want to like me, your friend.
Yeah, not as a friend, more than a friend. Back to my channel, you know the girl Tassie. So today, I'll be doing Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tassie, and today I'll be doing something I never did before. I'll be doing a prank video. So I'll be pranking my friend that I like her, telling her I want to be bisexual and all these things. Remember, this is only for entertainment purposes only. This is only a prank or reaction video. So before we get into that, like, share, comment, and subscribe, the notification bell, so we first notified when I post a new video. Let's get right into it. So yes, guys, I'm gonna call one of my other friends. I hope me get her. This is one of my call. She have no manners, so me I expect a good reaction from her. Anything she say me no business, cause I prank her. Yeah. So let's get to the video. Well, she know their class. Their class never call somebody else. When she their class.
Good morning.
Jesus. Hello, good morning.
Oh, God.
Me there class today?
No?
So yeah, just like say class can't keep. You're good though.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
You? Oh.
So school are going.
Yeah, it's enough.
Up on the campus today at home.
Yeah, it's on the campus.
Oh, me call you to sitting.
Eh?
Me call you to sitting stills.
What?
At this point, she
So,
cared.
but before we tell you, you cuss me off.
What? I'm talking to you now?
So you're so anxious.
Because you say you don't want me to cut you off. So I wonder how could I not be?
About me, man.
Exactly. I want you. Because you know me think. I know me could never think that.
At this point, it
Yes, me
almost
pregnant.
failed.
So what happened?
What a prank. I'm more than prank.
I don't remember my because I told me I told myself that I think. Let me see so.
Okay.
I come out to me like you.
And go on.
So you go to silent a while ago. Silent break it a while ago.
What you say?
So why you go to silent a while ago?
Cause that's weird. That's so
Oh,
weird.
you feel weird. You never know one girl like one girl.
You know what, right? In what way, though?
Bisexual, of course.
You see? You don't want me answer you right now. You're such a side of
No, man, me want you what you have to say, man. Me want to hear the honest what you have to say. If a bad word, me want to hear what you have to say because me like you.
I can't say it at the moment. I can't say it at the
Oh,
moment.
you these said no. I see.
So, let me tell you, girl, if I have nothing to do, alright, I'm a man there, so. Cause so much of it have.
What?
I work with that cause this.
You know, man, I'm to nowadays, me just want to try a woman, you know. Me just want to practice for you, see me? Me tired if you get hurt by them, man, nowadays.
Okay, and you try to get you want to from the word, girl, in a word.
True, me know, yeah. You say you're sexy and still. Nothing wrong with that. Me not busy being a man and a manners or nothing like that.
I see.
Me can't.
When that's me as a CA,
Me can't get too slap and jerk you up, man.
That's what you did this morning. Something do you?
You don't hear me like you, that do me. I want me to... Then
You're very annoyed.
me annoyed.
No.
Me can't annoy in a bed.
I see. This body, yeah?
You know, hear me say...
Trying to call me a bad person?
You of all person.
And so I must get you on get me a body lifted, man. Yeah.
man out there, not crying me now. Me can't mind as a man, you know.
Oh, that's it. You can't mind yourself right now.
Yeah.
You can't talk about mine. Ain't come here.
Woo! Give what mama now give you.
You can't give me one. Girl, nobody have that.
Bonfire pan them something there.
Me can go low. Dodo.
Hey, my phone about sneaker. No, you're telling because girl.
Take me a speaker, me can't tell them import and something like people in me important business. I want to tell you, man. I call me name.
Tati,
Eh?
if I not do, you go sit down and consider where you want to really see your future. And come on, come and phone.
Then
Yes.
I prank still. And I feel go on so.
Oh, okay.
Alright, then later. Alright.
Alright.
So yes, today say me not have nothing for them. Tell the girl say me I got mine her like her man. The girl say me can't mind myself. She brighty. Yes, guys. So that actually worked, but she did not go with the flow. Of course, my friends and we straight like arrow. You see me? So me I go try one more. Me I actually call two of my friends and me I see who me get first, and anyone me get first, me I go try them with it. So let's get right into the video. This girl was no want me to put her advice on YouTube. She brighty with her purpose, of course. Anyways, my try with my friend name again. The next one. Alright, let me try that one here first. Me hope me get her phone, because I call her from me not get her, I don't know what she do. You know the bar rings, I get her phone hard for you to see, guys. This now ring, so may I try one next somebody's phone. A long time I call a girl, I know she must have known me I call her phone. But I want somebody to talk to her video. I want good.
Hello.
Hola, so your answer so good.
Alright. You play one, girl.
Watch out, I told you to call a long time. Oh, how are you there, pan?
There.
Where the home?
Yeah.
How are you do the home?
Don't tell me they are making.
Oh, you're busy then?
They are pack up some clothes to go to Spanish store now.
Oh, nothing, just call me tell you something.
Oh.
A long time I want to tell you. Eh?
Yeah, tell me now.
Watch out, you can't wait.
Not really.
Watch out, not early, okay? A long time I want to tell you so still.
What else?
Say me like you.
Don't hate me, and I must like me and your friend.
Yeah, not as a friend, more than a friend.
Girl, me back then your face.
Me a pray from what dear man.
Stop praying me, girl. We don't love you.
But y'all laugh at we all laugh at the thing, man. You know, say we can't be bisexual, although we have a man, you see me?
No, girl, the devil. I want me to say I know.
But
I'm scared the devil is a liar.
I'm not crying, man.
A move. Yeah, wanna move.
Just one wanna move like what governor sing. So I say we can't call in came and do the little thing.
What is it?
Me I go be the man and do the things them, man.
Hold on, yeah, go low.
Me say me I go be the man and do the things them.
No, girl. Never ever picture myself for that girl. Nope, not in a mic.
Yo, I want nice thing in a man.
Nice, right?
Oh, so how you feel if you're not nice, if you never tried before? Every time.
Oh, girl, from me to them, that's something they don't like them, that's something.
There is a chance for everything in a life, you know.
No, man, but not to me. See, the father know it all well it's me in a life.
Oh, we can't bow down.
What you say?
We can't bow down.
You can't.
Do something your man now do.
Girl, oh, you know some my man not do it, girl.
Guess me, I guess man. All if you do, me can do it better.
Nope.
Be
If I get a better song like you.
one practice for you, man.
Hi. Girl, come on from phone, yeah, man.
Yo, chill now. True me I talk now. You know, say your body sturdy. Mm-hmm.
I told me I like make you think I joke me and make you
I
man.
me want rocky 2 times for you.
Eh?
You say your body sturdy, I me want rocky 2 times for you.
Good man.
If me start, you know I'm if it stop.
What you say?
If me start, you know if it stop.
If you start, you know what?
If me start, you don't want me to stop.
Baby girl, try Tasha Tishel. Not me.
Give a prank.
Come on, from your phone.
Oh, video me and make say hi to you too.
True.
Why? Me can nurse a while ago. I'm nurse hang up the phone for me.
Girl, what the love come phone? Come on.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, later.
Alright. So yes, guys, I guess she went back to my face. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you want more of these videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment your favorite part of the video. Don't watch only looking at guys. This thing was a whole rush. It's like I was calling my friends from morning, I was not getting them. So I said, okay, maybe we try and know, call me can call and get who me can get and just do the video, right? So I hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching again. Like, share, and subscribe again. Follow me on my Instagram at It's Tassie. I'll put it right over there. And my other Instagram at _miss Miserable. I'll put it over there. Follow my Instagrams and share my videos, please. And thanks, I really appreciate it. Get me to at least 50 subscribers at the end of this month. At least all more 100. So just like, share, comment, and subscribe like I said. And thanks for watching. Peace out.